Ou la PL.
C'est adaptateur. Tu les mixes ici.
Ah oui, d'accord.
Et ça, je dois avoir la page.
Donc tu les mets tous sur ce point-là.
Ouais. 1500 € là.
1300.
1705.
Ah, mais quoi, c'est le C705? Ah oui.
Sans le berme, sans les poignées. Quand tu l'accordes, alors là,
Qu'est-ce qui te manque?
Alors comment ça se fait pour voir ça?
le matériel, les matériaux, ils sont,
Oui, ça a
de
de la qualité.
Ouais, regarde, c'est de la...
Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. Lots of people here around at the Col de Vence. So we had a wonderful meal today and at Coursegol, small village not far from here. And today I'm using 6-meter FM, so that's going to be pretty cool. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing special, not really a special subject matter, but you know, I really enjoy 6-meter FM, and that's it. You know, even though nobody answers, but hopefully today we'll get someone. So I have the VRM 5080. Bunch of batteries here, nickel cadmium Clansman batteries. That's my recorder. I made a capsule here for a microphone, so that I can record actually the sound directly, and you can hear better. CQ, 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 CQ. Ici F4 Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. F4 WBY. Foxtrot 4 Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. Over. CQ, 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 CQ. Ici F4 Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. F4 WBY. Foxtrot 4 Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. Over. I don't have high hopes for today, but I chose my band, my frequency, so I know there's very little chance, but hey, if you don't call, nobody's gonna reply, right? CQ, 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 CQ. Ici F4 Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. F4 WBY. Foxtrot 4 Whiskey, Bravo, Yankee. Over. Je t'entends très mal. Ouais. FM.
CQ, Foxtrot 4, India, Yankee, Victor. Foxtrot 4, India, Yankee, Victor. Calling CQ on standby.
Ok Jérémy, ici Gilles, F4 Whisky, Bravo, Yankee. Est-ce que tu me reçois bien?
QSL, Foxtrot 4, Whisky, Bravo, Yankee. Je te reçois 59 plus, voilà. Donc c'est impeccable là pour le DX.
He's right over there. Ok, bien reçu, super. Ah, bah, ça, au moins les radios fonctionnent, quoi. Hein, c'est déjà ça. Hein. Yeah, it's about 5 meters to my right here. So, you know, sometimes it just doesn't work, and you shouldn't be discouraged. And that's why I'm making this video, because just to show that sometimes things don't work, and you just have to persist and be patient and keep calling. And sometimes someone will answer you, and you know, some people have answered me calling on 6-meter FM. Hey, you know, just keep calling. And sometimes you think the band is closed, and really, it isn't. Until the next one, have a good one.